Hello everyone, welcome to our Women's Wellness Journey. We are Shapewear.pk and today we are excited to begin a new journey dedicated to empowering women through health awareness, confidence, and self care. Every week we will share valuable information about women's health, fitness, lifestyle, and wellness to help you make informed decisions for a healthier life. Today's topic understanding PCOS. In this post, we will explore what PCOS is, the common causes of PCOS, early signs and symptoms, possible health risks, effective precautions, and lifestyle tips. How you can manage PCOS naturally with healthy habits. Knowledge is power, and early awareness can make a significant difference. Whether you are experiencing PCOS symptoms or simply want to learn more, this guide is here to support you. Join us on this journey to better health, greater confidence, and a stronger future. Because every woman deserves to feel her best. Follow Shapewear.pk for trusted women's health tip, wellness advice, and confidence boosting content. Together, let's learn, grow, and support one another. PCOS, the silent hormonal condition every woman should know about. It's just stress. You will lose weight eventually. Irregular periods are normal. If you have heard these words, you are not alone. Many women ignore the early signs of PCOS because the symptoms often develop slowly. Unfortunately, delaying diagnosis can make the condition more difficult to manage. The good news is that PCOS is manageable, and understanding your body is the first step toward a healthier and happier life. What is PCOS? PCOS is one of the most common hormonal disorder affecting women of reproductive age. It's occur when the ovaries produce higher than normal levels of male hormones, leading to hormonal balance. This imbalance can affect your menstrual cycle, metabolism, skin, fertility, weight, and emotional health. Studies suggest that millions of women worldwide have PCOS and many remain undiagnosed. What causes PCOS? Doctors don't know one exact cause, but several factors contribute to PCOS. Hormonal imbalance. When women with PCOS often produce excessive androgens, male hormones, which interfere with normal ovulation. Insulin resistance. Many women with PCOS have insulin resistance, meaning their bodies don't use insulin efficiently. This causes the pancreas to produce more insulin, which can increase androgen production and make symptoms worse. Genetics. PCOS often run in families. If your mother, sisters, or close relatives have PCOS, your risk may be higher. Chronic inflammation. Low grade inflammation may stimulate the ovaries to produce more androgens, contribute to hormonal balance. Lifestyle factors: an unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, poor sleep, chronic stress, and weight gain can worsen PCOS symptoms, although they don't directly cause the condition. Common symptoms of PCOS. Every woman's experience PCOS different. Some may have only a few symptoms while others experience several. Irregular or missed period. One of the earliest sign periods may become infrequent, very heavy, very light, or stop altogether. Unexplainable weight gain. Weight often increases around the abdomen due to insulin resistance, making it difficult to lose even with diet and exercise. Persistent acne. Hormonal changes can lead to acne that continues well beyond the teenagers. Hair loss also is a symptoms of PCOS. Many women notice thinning hair or excessive or hair shedding, similar to male pattern hair loss, excessive facial or body hair. Higher androgen levels can cause unwanted hair growth on the face, chin, chest, stomach, or back. Dark skin patches, dark velvety patches around the neck, underarms, or groin may indicate insulin resistance. Constant fatigue, hormonal imbalance, and blood sugar fluctuations often leave women feeling exhausted even after sleeping. Mood swings, anxiety, depression, irritability, and emotional changes are common in women with the PCOS. Difficulty getting pregnant. Irregular ovulation make conception more challenging, but many women with the PCOS can become pregnant with appropriate medical care. Bloating is also a symptom of PCOS. Hormonal changes may lead to bloating and digestive discomfort. Possible health risk if PCOS is left untreated. Ignoring PCOS may increase the risk. Type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, apnea, infertility, endometrial problems, anxiety, and depression is also. Early diagnosis and treatment can help reduce the risk. How to manage PCOS naturally? While there is no single cure of PCOS, many women improve their symptoms with healthy lifestyle changes and medical guidance. Eat a balanced diet, choose a whole foods rich in protein, fiber, vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and whole grains. Limit sugary drinks, processed food, and refined carbohydrates. Stay physical active. Aim for at least 30 to 45 minutes exercise 5 days a week. Walking, cycling, swimming, yoga, strength training, and dancing are also excellent choice. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night to support hormone regulations. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water throughout the day, manage stress, practice meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, or spend time doing activities you enjoy. Track your menstrual cycle. Monitoring your cycle can help you notice changes and provides useful information for your healthcare provider. Visit your doctor regularly. Early diagnosis, regular health checkups, and following your treatment plan are key to managing PCOS effectively. A message to every woman living with PCOS: PCOS is not your fault. Your body isn't broken. It simply needs care, patience, and understanding. Progress may be slow, but every healthy meal, every walk, every workout, and every positive choice is a step towards a healthier future. Be kind to yourself, celebrate small victories. Your worth is never defined by your weight, your skin, your hormones, or your diagnosis. From Shaper team, we believe confidence starts with loves. While Shaper is not treatment for PCOS, it can help you feel comfortable and confident in your future favorite outfit as you focus on your health and wellness journey. Because every woman deserves to feel beautiful, strong, and confident inside and out. Have you or someone you know experienced PCOS? Share your story in the comment. Your experience may help another woman realize she is not alone. Please like, share, save this spot, spread awareness. Thank you.